So this effect is the transition assistant. It oftentimes helps you with longer edits when you have everything set up in different timelines and you have certain clips that you want to have multiple effects on. For example, you have like 15 b-rolls and you know that you're just going to add like fade to black or something like glitch to all of them. You just can select everything and put the effect on there. Or it just makes it easier to add individual effects as well, because you just search, click, and it's done. So I'm just going to show you the process of how it's done. Yeah. So we have a few clips set up here to demonstrate how this is used. So I'm just going to go to the front, click this, and let's say I'll just use cross dissolve. I'll just use cross dissolve and apply transition. And as you can see, it's here. Now I have some text here. I'm just going to, let's say, do pop motion and apply. So if I go here from the start, let's see, it's done. So if you have like multiple texts, you want the same animation, you can just mass select all the texts and add the same animation at the start and at the beginning separately, and it just saves an insane amount of time for that. Oftentimes when you're using like editing courses and things like that, what happens is we have a lot of text and we know we're going to add the exact same effect on every single text again and again, and it just is really useful for those kind of longer edits.